guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's going to be a really motivating clean with me. I've got a ton of stuff to clean, especially in our kitchen because it is such a mess. Once I'm done with the kitchen, we're gonna move on to the living room. And you guys, I have to finish my back to school shopping. Now, I know a lot of kids have already started school. My kids don't start till the 25th, so I still have some time, and I needed to get all of our supplies and get that list finished. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Helena. I'm a mom of two. I do cleaning, organizing, decluttering, clean with me videos for cleaning motivation, as well as some DIY and home renovation. If you guys enjoyed this video and get tons of cleaning motivation, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and check out all the great things that will be coming up, especially fall decorate with me, which I am so excited about. I'm currently working on that right now, but I am so ready for fall, for Thanksgiving, for Halloween, because it is such a fun and festive time. As you guys can see, my dog is wanting to be let in and out of the house probably for the 10th time. She's pretty much totally over all of my cleaning, especially the vacuum cleaner. But as you guys can see, my house was such a mess. The kitchen was so cluttered. I honestly did a terrible job of putting everything away, but we really had a busy weekend. And when we have a lot of parties and a lot of, a lot on our plate, a lot on our schedule, our house does tend to look super messy just because when we are super busy, I don't have that time to clean. We had 2 parties over the weekend, so I had a ton of catching up to do. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing, not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be If you guys follow my channel as well, then you guys know that I lately have not been using my office. Actually, my husband has taken over the office. He's been studying for, I guess, like federal and state exams, and I have been upstairs basically working. So this is kind of turning into my little miniature office, and I kind of just put my papers on the side, leave my computer always plugged in here. So right now I'm just kind of tidying up the paperwork that I have over there and putting it on the side because I will be back to this pretty soon. I do want to hear from everyone. How is it with your kids back in school? Are you guys back into your normal routine? Does it feel good? Does it feel great? I know a lot of moms have said that summer was really amazing, but it's different when the kids go back to school. They're kind of able to get back into their routine. You don't usually have to spend as much time with them during the day. There's not much pool time and things like that. But I want to hear from you guys in the comments below. Like I said, my kids are going back on the 25th full time. My son's going to be going into 1st grade. My daughter is going to be pre-K 4. So it will be exciting. It's also going to be, I think, a little sad for me because he's full time. She'll be going 3 days a week. And I don't know if I'm ready for all of this. so many dishes to unload from the dishwasher today. And if you guys watch my channel as well, then you know that I honestly rarely use the dishwasher. This thing has been used only pretty much like a handful of times. I tend to hand wash all of my dishes, and I did not have time, so I shoved everything into the dishwasher and let the dishwasher do its job.
Thinking about us before we got lost and we parted. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
I did have a few dishes that were on the side that I just decided to hand wash because it was too late to throw into dishwasher. I'm doing that now. I'm going to be cleaning the sink in a second. I'm going to be using the Dawn Power Wash and Barkeeper's Friend, and I feel like the combination of both did such a good job of cleaning the sink. You guys will see any second right now.
I'm no good for you. What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
So here's the combination I was talking about, and I feel like this combination together works so good. I was super impressed. It got off all of the hard water stains, and this is probably my number 2 combination next to the pink stuff. I have the pink stuff. You guys have probably seen it on some YouTube channels, definitely probably on Instagram. That stuff is awesome as well. They just don't sell it in the US, so it has to be imported from the UK.
Hills above, my ordinary life, I could let it burn. 'Cause I just wanna go to the deep end. I just wanna go to the deepest end. No planning, no stress, and no work, no trying to fix what we are. Just go to the deepest end. I never got to let loose, hanging out with you. You tossed and you turned our love into a stiff statue. My brain was having enough.
dying to get this little bar coffee area decorated for fall. Like I said in my introduction, I'm just ready for Halloween. I am ready for fall. I love when we have decorations throughout the house because, you know, summer is great, summer is awesome. You're never really at home at summer, but when it starts to cool down and you're at home and you have all that festive decoration, it is just so warm, cozy, and toasty. So my next video, actually one of my next 3 videos will be a fall decorate with me, and I'm excited for that.
Go, go, 'cause I just wanna go, go, go to the deep end. I just wanna go, go, go to the deepest end. No planning, no stress, and no work, no trying to fix what we have. Just go, go, go to the deepest end.
So I have the black stainless steel upstairs appliances, and this is awesome, and it doesn't catch fingerprints as easy. Now, I don't think that I would personally buy the black stainless steel appliances ever again because they do nick really, really easily, and when they do nick, the regular stainless steel comes out underneath, so you have to be super, super careful. I feel like the black appliances, unless they change something in the manufacturing process in the future, I don't think I would go back to the black stainless steel again.
This will be your last call. 20 minutes, you're done being alone. This will be your last call. 20 minutes, you're done being alone. This will be your last call. 20 minutes, you're done being alone.
So I have to show you the jacket that I bought. I bought the Helly Hansen, I believe that's how you say it, jacket. It's a winter jacket. It's got like down feather on the inside. And I went to my favorite store. It's called the Last Chance. And this is basically all of the stuff that Nordstrom and Nordstrom Rack doesn't sell. So there's a lot of like off-season stuff. Like right now there's a ton of winter stuff and everything is really cheap. I bought this jacket for $30, and I will give you one of my best tips to save money is that I like to typically buy all of my winter stuff, or as much as my winter stuff, the more expensive pieces in the summer and the more expensive summer pieces in the winter, because you can get some really amazing deals. I bought from the Last Chance, I bought I think 3 or 4 pair of really expensive boots, one that typically retails for $1,000. I bought them for $30, $40, and $50 a piece. I mean, such quality pieces for dirt cheap. And I bought those boots probably about a month and a half ago, and you know, just recently I bought this jacket. It's just my favorite store. I was definitely getting a little tired right now, so I definitely had to make myself a latte. I took out the espresso machine, made a double espresso, and I ended up using the Premier Protein for my milk substitute. Threw a little bit of whipped cream on top, and it made for such a great afternoon pick-me-up. Quickly, for like an early supper, you know, not quite full dinner, I did make cream of broccoli soup in my pressure cooker, which I am obsessed with the pressure cooker. It came out really great, and my kids ate it up right before we went shopping for the rest of the school supplies. So we are on the way to Target and Walmart to finish up some of the after school or the back to school shopping. we may hit up Sam's Club because I do have to pick up some lunch boxes for the kids. But I've got my handy dandy list. Let's see.
I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal.
So my husband didn't want to record all of our shopping because he gets really uncomfortable when, you know, I take out the camera and we are in public. He does not like it, but I'm going to quickly show you guys what else I picked up because there was a good amount of stuff. And I'm going to kind of give you guys an overview of most of the things that he needs for back to school. Be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, I so I picked up these durable kids labels, and instead of just writing with the Sharpie and all of the things, I'm gonna write his name on all of the items so that way he doesn't lose them. And it looks really nice, it looks really clean, it looks really professional. You know, everything is gonna be labeled and it's gonna be organized.
slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Baby, you're so hasty. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so hasty. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so hasty. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so hasty. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so hasty. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last.
Lastly, I picked up these two lunch boxes. They're basically bento lunch boxes for my son, and they have a bunch of different little compartments. This bigger one was $10 at Walmart, and the smaller bluer one was $5. Definitely, I think this is going to help for his lunches at school because they don't have hot lunches at his new school. But if you guys enjoyed this video, you know, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, you know, and leave me some comments below. Let me know what you think of everything. I'd be super grateful.
It's so one, really won't be pretty.